Hi splendid lovers, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel for amazing cooking and baking recipes. Today's video we are making chin chin. This chin chin recipe is perfect for commercial purpose, but you have to do your costing right, okay? And you can also make this to enjoy with your friends and family. So let's dive right into the video. So I'm just going to run through the ingredients quickly. What I have here is 1 kg of flour. This is extra flour for kneading and rolling out your dough. In here I have my nutmeg and salt. Please do well to check the description box. I will have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box. This is my sugar. You'll be needing milk. I have 2 eggs, water, and my margarine. You can use butter as well. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to introduce my salt and nutmeg. I'm adding my sugar. Mix this together to incorporate the dry ingredients before adding any other ingredient. I'm going to add in my butter or margarine. I'm using margarine actually, so if you are using butter, it's fine. So you want to mix this properly. It's going to look like breadcrumbs when you are done mixing thoroughly. So can you see, this is what your mixture should be looking like, just like breadcrumbs, right? Ensure to mix your butter in properly. So now I'm going to introduce the wet ingredients, which is my water, milk, and egg. I'm using the whole of this milk, so if you want to make this for commercial purpose, you have to do your costing right in order for you to make profit. So I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Now I'm not going to add my water yet. I will have to mix this, then I will start adding water gradually. If you have enough milk, you can use just your milk and your egg alone as the liquid ingredient for your chin chin. Chin chin mixing is just like when you go from the bottom, you just try to press it together. You don't want to over mix the dough of your chin chin so that your chin chin won't be hard after frying. 1 cup of water, but I don't think I'll be needing up to half cup, so check description box for the correct measurements. Transfer the dough to your work table. At this point, you don't have to add more water, okay? Just knead this properly and it will come together. Put back your dough into the bowl, cover it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you're going to bring back your dough and divide it into 4 parts. You can just sprinkle little amount of flour on your work surface so your dough will not stick to the table, and start rolling your dough. pizza cutter, I'm going to cut out my chin chin. Can you see that it's not going to stick? And at this stage, you don't need any extra flour. Trust me, this is going to fry perfectly and it won't stick together.